Hello and welcome, folks. This is Gustavo here, and in this short video, let me show you the setup that I've been using to analyze cryptocurrencies. In this case, I'm analyzing Bitcoin versus Tether US, Tether US. I'm using EMA. The regular one is what I call the two HL3, as well as 9 EMA and 21 MA. So as SMA for America, and MA moving average, which is the regular one. This is the 9 exponential moving average. I'm sorry for that, folks. I'm voiceless basically. And here we have the 200 MA. This is the moving average of 200 days, or 200. In this case, I'm analyzing minutes. So this is for 200 minutes, but this is what I've been using. And what we have here is a consolidation so far. So one of the tips here that I could give to all of you folks is to draw a box like this one and wait for a period of time when the price may go up or down, because we don't know yet. It's just moving up and down, up and down, up and down. So we don't know. So it's called the consolidation. Okay, consolidation. That's the idea here. So in case like that, there's nothing we could do. It's not a trend, so we should wait for a trend. Oh, delete this box here. And what we should do, I like sometimes to analyze the graph, or the chart, like this one here, that what's called the naked chart. So it's easy for you to understand, easier to see. This is the actual trend here. We are seeing here a reversal. Let me show you this one. We may see here, for example, I'm not sure, but let's check. We have to wait here for a top. So subsequent tops lower than the previous one. Basically, that's what we should analyze. Or we may adjust, for example, a little bit here, a little bit there. So basically, this is it. So I hope I've helped you with those tips. Basically, this is what I've been using to analyze my charts. Another thing that I think is very, very important is when you, let me pick up my path 2 here. For example, in this case, we have the downtrend, then the uptrend, then the downtrend here, and then when we move back, move up, this is where I normally enter in this trend. Oops, I get in the trend. Hold on, folks. Let me try to get out. I can't get out with this two here. Okay, I'm sorry for that. But basically, this is it. Let me use a trend 2 here. So this is the downtrend. So we have here the up movement. I'm not using the mouse, so sorry for that. And then we have the downtrend, and then suddenly we have here the uptrend, hitting back the level, or let's say I would enter this position here. Okay, this is the idea here. Oops. Okay, fine. I would enter in this candle. I would keep with the move up to a place where I would think, okay, this is fine for me, and I would get out of the trade. But how? By by finding here support, a resistance. So one of the resistance could be here at this level. So somewhere here. Oops, again, I had to release this one. So for this 1 minute period, I should have I should have entered here, and I should have left here, around here. So this should have been my profit, 1.6%. Basically, this is it, folks. This was one of the videos that I decided to record for you guys to help you analyze charts in general. I'm not exactly a specialist in this field. This channel is much more for you to learn English and so on. So I hope I've helped you with some cool information on how you can do it. So this is one of the techniques that I've been using to helping some of my friends as well as some of my students who enjoy and put in practice those techniques. Of course, they are extremely simple and as well as efficient. So here again, look, it was so interesting. Here, what do we have here? If I let me remove this again. Okay, as we could see here, the movement up, down, and up again. And so I would have entered this candle. If I turn on the EMA, which is the or what is the exponential moving average as well as the moving average here. Look, what I have here is exactly this. The white line here is the two exponential moving average. Let me open this for you, by the way. This is the EMA number 2. The input here is number 2. So we have an exponential moving average of 2, whose source or which source is HLC3. Okay, so this is the simple version of my inputs here, and it emulates quite well what I had drawn here. So you could use, let me turn off the drawings here. Okay, so as you can see, with the moving average, it's a little bit easier for you to identify. So we have an up movement, a down movement, and an up movement again. Easy to see. We have what we call the pivot, a higher pivot here in this case. Now, the market is consolidated, so nothing here to do. When the moving averages are crossing in this position like this one, the lateral position, there's nothing much we can do here. So you do not operate. Don't operate. Wait for a position like this one. For example, let me show you. Something like that. Where's my tool here? Oops. This one. This is a good trend. For example. Okay. This is part of the trend because here we have lots of entries here, but the point here is that we have the 200 EMA right above the 9 and 21 moving average here, okay, in this side. Let me turn it off. So this is a totally different kind of English video that I've recorded for you. I was trading this. Today is May 12th. So we are facing a bear market now. Bitcoin price right now is $28,000. As you can see here, may drop a little bit more because this is the 1 minute chart. Let me check for the 1 day period. As we can clearly see, this is the Dow a downtrend for sure, and a bear market as well. Sorry for that, folks. My throat's sore, and anyway, so that's it. So with this video, I just like share with you guys the tools that I've been using to trade. They are simple, nothing fancy. I don't use indicators at all. If I want a little bit more of information, you'd add volume here. Basically, this is it. That's another good technique here, is when the white line squeeze the purple one, you have a great opportunity to enter in this position here. Put your stop loss right above the top of this candle and let the trade run. Okay, folks, I hope I've helped you. If you all have any questions, please let me know. Like I said, this is a different English video. I have some ideas to make different kinds of videos, not only the basic one for you guys, because I think you deserve it. And this is it. Okay, so give me the thumbs up, subscribe, and that's it. See you.